Snow is likely. It's pretty much a done deal. Accumulating snow in the region, that is. 100% chance for Hampton Roads. Yesterday, North Carolina had a higher chance. Can't go the higher than 100%. So North Carolina and Hampton Roads, 100% chance for snow. This afternoon, it starts up. Really comes down tonight and then goes through the morning of Wednesday, but could even last through midday. But right now it looks like it'll taper off around the morning. Travel, schools, commutes, businesses, all going to be impacted by this event. So the snow starts up by the evening commute, 5 to 7 p.m. In North Carolina, it'll start a little bit sooner than that. Roads will be closed by tonight. Not all the roads, well, possibly, but it's going to be at least some of these secondaries will be closed by tonight. Expect that, especially if you're a shift worker. You're going to go to work maybe this afternoon. You maybe it's stuck at work, so plan accordingly for that. You may have to take an overnight bag with you. Blowing, drifting snow for tonight. That is going to be a big problem for anybody on those roads. Keep this in mind. A slight shift in the track could dramatically alter the snow totals that I'm going to show you in just a little bit. That track right now is pretty much agreed upon by the models, but it still could change. It's a big system developing, and it's just now developing. Here it is to our south. Cold front is stalling out. Area low pressure is forming, and the moisture is beginning to make that push into the colder air. There is some snow back to the west. This is not the main event, though. We may catch a couple of flurries from it off to the west and moving into the east-northeast. So far, though, that snow is lingering out towards Lynchburg and west of Richmond. I'll keep monitoring that, though. Now, this is our computer model. It's future track, and I've taken out the clouds, done something different for today. We're only going to look at precipitation, so that's why there's nothing on here at the moment other than a little mix to the south. By noon, that mix gets all the way up to Rodanthe, maybe even as far north as Manteo. That'll be a rain, snow, sleet mix. And then around 3 o'clock, North Carolina starts to see some scattered snow showers, possibly even into parts of Hampton Roads. Again, this is just the beginning, though. 5 o'clock, the snow, the moisture really stretches and moves to the north quickly, so we have a lot of snow out there for the commute. 5 p.m. it starts up. We'll already see some problems. If it starts a little sooner, there'll be problems sooner, around 5, 6 o'clock. But remember, the snow takes a little while to accumulate, and it really just starts up at 5 on this model. We get lesser amounts down here from Grandy on southward as there's that mix. That will reduce the amounts, but just north of that line, that's where it'll come down the heaviest. That'll be a very heavy, wet snow, and so that is Elizabeth City up into Virginia Beach. That's the cutoff. 11 p.m. tonight, widespread snow for our area. Again, that mix to the south, and the snow will keep on going till midnight, till 3 a.m., till 5 a.m., but it'll start to taper off around then. 7 a.m., there's the back edge of it finally as the system pushes away. And, you know, you think, all right, great, well, I'll be able to get out then. No, we're expecting some hefty amounts of snow. It's going to block a lot of the roadways, and it'll be tough for those to get cleared by 7 a.m. Even in the afternoon, we're going to have a lot of problems out there. So this is the updated snow totals. And you can see I've got this band of 10 to 12 inches based off some of the latest models, based off some of the latest from National Weather Service, too. A band of 10 to 12 in here, southern Virginia Beach on down into Bertie County. 7 to 10 inches in there, Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, back down into Gates County. That includes Norfolk, Portsmouth. I'll have a zoomed-in view in a moment. Just want to give you the outline. Good 5 to 7 inches for parts of Hampton, Newport News, over to Cape Charles, and then 2 to 5 for places like southern Gloucester County, Matthews, and also for, let's say, Exmoor on down into Isle of Wight County. 1 to 2 for Williamsburg, James City County, northern Gloucester County, Reedville, most of Accomack, and then on down into western Northampton County. So here's a zoomed-in view. Again, south Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, 10 to 12, into Moyock, down to Elizabeth City, and then also including the city of Hertford, North Carolina. Gatesville up into Suffolk, 7 to 10 inches. Norfolk, you're in the 7 to 10. North End is 5 to 7. Portsmouth, you're on the edge. You're going for about 7 inches. 5 to 7 for northern Suffolk. Hampton over to Cape Charles. 2 to 5 for Exmoor into Matthews County, Gloucester County, most of Newport News in York County, and then Smithfield down to Southampton County. And again, that 1 to 2 area from about Toano northward. We're in the 20s right now. We've got that cold air in place. We will continue with that cold air all day. Matter of fact, temperatures will drop. Temperatures will be in the 20s tomorrow. We're in the teens tonight. And we've got that cold air in place. 35 on Thursday and warming into the weekend. That's when we'll finally get melting. Meteorologist Don Slater got you through the last storm, and he'll be in early tonight to get you through this one. Tiffany will be in with them as well. Meteorologist Tiffany Savona. He and I, we're all comparing forecasts, helping nail down specifics for you before the storm hits. Look for his forecast updates tonight in our extended edition of Wavy News 10 starting at 4 p.m.